I'm Lauren Grocco. I'm a licensed California attorney and I practice employment law. Today we're going to talk about how to handle a toxic work environment. Are you dealing with a toxic work environment? This video is not intended to address whether such an environment may be illegal or not. That's a separate video. It's more to help you professionally handle such environments. Now, let's start with the obvious. This isn't legal advice, nor should you ever seek legal advice from the internet. And our office, like most legal offices, does not give free legal advice. Nothing in this video creates an attorney-client relationship. This video is intended to provide information to the public. Because every situation is different, if you have a legal question, you should consult with an attorney. The law is constantly changing, so nothing in this video should be construed as a guarantee, warranty, or prediction of any individual's legal situation may play out in a court or arbitration. If you have been wrongfully terminated and would like to consult with Grocco Law, please call 949-506-1494. Okay, now back to that toxic work environment. It's a tough situation, but you're not alone. Today I want to talk to you about how to handle the toxic work environment and provide you with some practical steps to navigate through it. First, recognize the signs. The first step is recognizing the signs of toxic workplace. It's going to be constant negativity, lack of support, high turnover, favoritism, gossip, and even bullying. If you're feeling drained, anxious, dreading going to work, these can be indicators that your workplace is toxic. And unfortunately, oftentimes these environments don't arise to the level of illegal. Again, look for my other video as to when that toxic work environment crosses the line into illegal. Second, you should document everything. Once you've identified the toxicity, start document it. Journal what's happening, including the dates, times, and description of what's happened. This documentation can help you later if you end up having to report things to HR or seek advice later. HR can help you resolve these interpersonal conflicts, and even though they're there to protect the company, helping them work through these issues, that's part of their job too. Maintain professionalism. It's important to maintain your professionalism even in a toxic environment. Avoid gossiping and using negative behavior. Don't use curse words, even though it can be part of a standard vernacular. Keep your focus on your work and try to stay as positive as possible. Not only will this protect your reputation, but also keep you grounded. Set boundaries. Setting boundaries is key. Know your limits and communicate them clearly. If your workload is unreasonable, talk to your manager about it. If a coworker is being disrespectful, let them know their behavior is unacceptable. Setting boundaries will help you protect your mental and emotional well-being. Coffee break. Seek support. Don't go through this alone. Seek help from trusted colleagues and friends and family. Sometimes just talking about your experience can provide relief and new perspectives. Additionally, consider seeking professional help from a therapist or a counselor to navigate the stress and anxiety that come with the toxic work environment. Oftentimes, company resources are available. Most companies have resources such as an EAP program that's called an Employee Assistance Program, or your HR department. A trusted manager might be another resource too. Use these resources to report the toxic behavior and seek support. Focus on your self-care. Self-care is important when dealing with a toxic work environment. Make time for activities that relax and rejuvenate you, whether it's exercise, reading, or spending time with loved ones. Prioritize your mental and physical health to build resilience against the stress at work. Take those breaks. If you're an hourly employee especially, and you're entitled to rest breaks, take those breaks for breaks. Go outside, take that 10 minutes and get some fresh air. Clear your mind. Plan your exit strategy. If the situation doesn't improve and the toxicity is taking a toll on your health and happiness, it may be time to consider leaving. Find an employer who values you, but don't quit impulsively. You'll see another video of mine about why you shouldn't up and quit. Plan your exit strategy carefully. Update your resume, start networking, and look for new job opportunities. Having a job lined up can make the transition smoother and less stressful. Know your rights. Be aware of your legal rights as an employee. Familiarize yourself with the company's policies on workplace behavior, harassment, and discrimination. If you believe your rights are violated, consider seeking legal advice. Knowing your rights empowers you to take appropriate action. Take a look at some of our other articles and videos. It might help you identify whether your rights are being violated. Keep a positive outlook. Remember, toxic environment does not define your worth or your abilities. Focus on your long-term goals and a positive steps to taking to improve your situation. This is a temporary bump on your career journey and one challenging small part of it. Handling a toxic work environment involves recognizing the signs, documenting incidents, maintaining professionalism, setting boundaries, seeking support, using company resources, focusing on self-care, planning your exit strategy, knowing your rights, and keeping a positive outlook. It's not easy, but taking these steps can help you navigate it and move towards a healthier work environment. Remember, you're not alone. Many people face this and overcome. Thanks for watching, and take care.